viewers, and welcome to Recipes You Like. Today in this video we are going to make lotus root, or you can say lotus stem pakoras. Now let us see what are the ingredients required for this. First we will be requiring jeera, that is cumin seeds. We have crushed these cumin seeds in a mortar. It is 1 teaspoon. Then chili powder, half a teaspoon, amchur, that is mango powder, 1 teaspoon, and salt, 1 teaspoon. Then we will be requiring rice atta, that is rice flour, 2 tablespoons, besan, 1 tablespoon, water, and lotus stem. Now let us start the method. We have taken 2 lotus stems or lotus root. It is also known as kamal kakri. We will first clean the outer skin of the lotus stem. Our lotus stem have been cleaned. Now let us cut them into pieces. We have cut and nicely washed our lotus stem pieces. Now we will mash them or crush them. After mashing these lotus root pieces, we have again washed them.
For preparing the batter,
take 2 tablespoons of rice flour or rice atta, and 1 tablespoon of besan. Now we will mix the spices, that is amchur powder or dry mango powder, chili powder, salt, and cumin seeds. Keep on adding little bit of water to make the batter not too much thin nor neither too much thick. Now we will add the mashed pieces of lotus root. For frying the pakoras, we will take a kadhai or a frying pan and pour oil in it. Pour as much oil that the pakoras get deep fried in the oil. Heat this oil for a while. The oil has become hot enough for frying. Let us pour our batter with the help of a spoon. We will fry our pakoras in batches. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of pakora batter and fry it in batches. A very nice appetizing aroma is coming out of it. Now we will keep on stirring and tilting the pakoras up and upside down so that they get fried from both sides evenly. Our lotus root pakoras have nicely fried up. Now it's time to take them out. Serve these hot, crispy, spicy and very tasty pakoras with any kind of a chutney you like chili sauce or even imli, that is tamarind sauce or tamarind chutney. I hope you will enjoy this with your family and friends, and do give back your comments to us and subscribe with us for these tasty, delicious dishes. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now from Recipes You Like, and see you in another video.